Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this module, I'll be showing you on how to create a WordPress account. Let's get started. The first thing is to log in into your backend. Enter your username and password, click on login. From the dashboard area, you'll navigate to the left navigation panel and select users. From the flyout menu, select add new user. I'm required to input the username of the new user, the email address, their first name, last name, and their password. So I'll create a demo user, and then I'll create a very strong password. I'll make sure to copy that so I don't lose it and save it somewhere. And below, I need to select the role of the user I'm creating. I can select subscriber, I can select contributor, author, editor, or administrator. For this demonstration, I will create an administrator. I'll click on administrator and select add new user. You will notice that from my user accounts, I now have two accounts. One is the admin and the demo user that I have created. To log in into the demo user, I will log out from my admin, and from the login area, I'll type in demo user as the username and the password that I had created. And I click on login. Voila, I am taken into the dashboard area for the new user that I have created. And that is how you create a user in WordPress. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.